Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are doing the Walmart grocery haul. There is no weekly meal plan because I have a weird schedule coming up. It's 11 to 9. So I'll be eating breakfast at the apartment, but then eating lunch, which is going to be sandwiches, and then leftover dinner, whatever we cook up on Sunday will be leftovers for pretty much the whole week. But anyways, before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if y'all are enjoying these grocery hauls. I actually do, because I like to watch other people's grocery haul and then hopefully I can find something that intrigues me and then I go and try it out. But anyways, this is the overview. Now starting over here, we got some Sara Lee Delightful bread. It's 45 calories. I'm on Weight Watchers, and then these two is only 2 points, which is pretty good. I got some chips for my sandwiches, which is Lay's Wavy Ranch, and these were only $2. I got some strawberries, which looked really good. Jared got some apples. I got bananas. Tater tot for tater tot casserole, so this is going to be for Monday and Tuesday, or Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday and Wednesday is going to be chicken. Got some oranges. We got some ice cream. Jared found this new flavor of Cheez-Its. It's queso fendino. It's white. What is it? White cheddar with like jalapenos and onions or something like that. We got chicken for later on this week. I don't know if I just mentioned that. Jared wanted his cheese, which is Munster and Kobe. We got cream of mushroom and green beans for the recipes this week. I found this on clearance, which is the Kind Dark Chocolate Chunk granola bars, which looks really good. It was $2.09, so I picked that up. Jared picked up some noodles, I guess, to eat while I am at work late. I picked up some honey deli ham for my sandwiches for lunches this week. And then Jared got his Monster as usual. And then I picked up some strawberry watermelon for drinks. So I'm going to try not to drink any caffeine next week while I'm on that shift, because I am more than likely going to do that, but I'm going to try not to. And then last but not least, I got a newspaper. It has $258 worth of coupons. So it has like P&G and the Retail Me Not and Smart Source. So decided to pick that up to check out the coupons. But yeah. So, oh, and I forgot Jared. Jared picked up these chips. The sea salt and pepper. But anyways, as always, this is the overview that I always do. So this is what we got at Walmart, which was probably roughly about $50, $60. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all are going to be making this week. And I'm sorry about not having a What's for Dinner the upcoming week. Well, when you're watching this on Sunday, there will be one on Monday that's going to post. But after that, there will not be, because of my crazy schedule this week. But anyways, I will see you guys later and have a blessed week. Bye.